Facebook. What's up? Lasean Wiggins, BFC, back with another podcast, back with another video. Let's go. Today we talking about Tesla, Team Tesla. Don't get scared. I know right now a lot of y'all probably like, OMG, OMG. Tesla went down again. Team Tesla. There's no need to worry, Team Tesla. Now, everybody out there, if you understand the stock market, you know that nothing goes up forever, right? We learned this as kids. What goes up must come down. And the same thing applies in the stock market. You see, what tends to happen, you see the stocks going up. And you get very emotional. You start thinking about all the money you don't have, all the money you wish you had, all the money you might have if this thing just keep on going up. Woo, baby, keep on. Yes, mama, look at me. I'm rich, mama. But you see, it's not how it works, though. It don't work like that. Now, one of the main reasons why Tesla and a lot of tech companies, for that matter, even spiked like it did. We're going to talk about Tesla because this is Team Tesla, right? Team Tesla. And what I'm talking about is going to apply to across the board as well, okay? One of the main reasons Tesla went up how it went up the last month is because we had the split. Okay? We had the stock split was announced. That alone is going to get a lot of people jumping in, all right? And not just regular retail investors. We're going to have institutional investors. Now, what is an institutional investor? An institution would be like a big old, let's say, NYPD. Their union retirement fund goes and buys like, they take like $10 million, and buy 10 million worth. Then you have the teachers union. Then you have this union over here. Then you have this big old corporation over here. Along with the retail traders, push the price up. When that happens, it's only a matter of time before what? It's going to go back down, okay? Right now, as we speak, my Tesla investment, I'm down $295 in my account. Bye. But that doesn't worry me, not even a little bit. Not even one little tiny nothing. Why? Because I understand the behavior of the stock market. I understand that it's going to go up and it's going to go down. Okay? What's going to happen right now? What's happening right now as we speak is what we call a correction. What is a correction? All right, we ain't talking about a correction officer. We talking about correction in the stock market. Oh man, my beat finished. See, I'm over here trying to do mad shit at one time. Messing up my flow, man. But hey, I'm new to doing this, and y'all gonna witness the new shit about it. Moving on with the next beat. I ain't want to do that, but whatever. Can't control everything, right? Like the stock market, like some of you thought you could. Okay, listen. So the stock went down. I'm down $295. What I'm going to do from here? Some of you probably jumped out, got scared. Some of you did the right thing. Depending on how you move, how you trade, you got out, you took your profits, and you went somewhere else. I was thinking about doing that, but I'm still over here with Tesla. I've been doing that for a while now in my trading style. I've been bouncing around, doing that. So I'm going to stay here for a little bit. I want to live here for a little bit. I'm gonna live here, mark my soul, Team Tesla, and I want a dollar cost average. Okay? The correction. Let's speak about the correction. All right. So a lot of people, they jumped in, they rode the wave, and when it got high, they jumped out. And they took their profits, okay? So right now, everything is going to start balancing itself out, and translation, that means things is correcting itself, okay? Next week time frame, things gonna be like, like regular. Regular. And then we can start trading regular again. Also, we have another thing happening in the market right now, and that's gonna be what we call a rotation. What is a rotation? A rotation is when money is like transferring, all right? So the tech was booming the last month or 2 months. We know why. We had the Rona happen. People was being indoors. And a lot of these companies, like Zoom. How many of y'all was using Zoom? Come on, keep it real. How many of y'all was using Zoom? Zoom was like, who's Zoom? Zoom. And then they just blam. Look at them now. Now they're going to grow from here. But this happens in the market. There's rotations. The tech will be booming. Then it'll be the consumer industry be booming. Then this industry gonna be booming. You gotta understand these things, right? So when these things happen, you know what's going on. This is a part of the game, right? This is normal. What's happening? Don't panic. You see, those of you that like are invested in 401ks and stuff like that, you don't even think about this type of stuff. Why? Because when you get paid, money come out of your check and it goes into your investments. So your thought process, you're not even thinking about it, right? This is more like for guys like myself, day traders, swing traders, short-term traders, guys who are really into that stuff. And there's people who are new into this, right? This is mainly for like the new people who into it, who don't understand it. They're confused right now how I once upon a time not too long ago. All right, we got big change. I don't really like this whole. I don't like this way.
Peanut butter, chocolate.
Maybe I should stop and walk away. Like a free commercial or some shit, right? All right, what we got? Let's go over my notes real quick. I took some notes over here. I think I probably covered everything. Just my freestyle talking. So you see all your the tech companies, Apple, Tesla, they're down right now. But that's good. When I see down, I get happy. I get happy. I get really happy. I don't do like most people. They get start getting nervous. The new people, I'm saying. My overall Cash App account still up. I'm still up all over. For the week, saying I'm down. Oh shit. I'm down $217 for the day. I'm down $150. All right. So for the week. Those totals is not total. The week would be 217, but today is 159. As of right now, Tesla is starting to do its bouncy thingy. So next week, we're gonna see some different things in Tesla. Like I said, there's gonna be some correction going on. All right. As far as the S&P 500, it's at its all-time high right now. So what does that mean? That means stand by. For me, what I do, disclaimer time. I'm not licensed. I'm just a regular Joe Schmo guy who know a little something about stocks. And I'll share with you my journey to becoming a millionaire in the stock market and amongst other things. All right, let's go back. I gotta throw that out there just in case there's some poor guy out there. He's listening, and then he be like, I'm gonna take my whole life savings because Lasean Wiggins from BFC sets out. Nobody. It's not what I'm saying. Give you advice. Tell you what I do. What you do is what you do, buddy. That's why you gotta do your own research. All right. That's basically about it, man. In a nutshell. And I'm gonna keep repeating the same thing like a broken record. I'm going to keep repeating the same thing like a radio that's on your favorite radio station. Why is this? Like one of those annoying songs that might have popped up on your radio station that you was listening to. The song was annoying at first, right? You was like, man, why they keep playing this? I hate it. And then the next thing you know, you bopping your head to it. You bopping your head. Not only are you bopping your head, you kind of like moving your shoulders a little bit. Not only you bopping your head and moving your shoulders, you're saying the words. You're saying the words, so that's the words you're going to be saying because you're going to hear this so much from Lasean Wiggins, BFC, how the dollar cost average. Dollar cost average, and don't be scared. When you see your positions go down, get happy. And well-established companies. Get happy. I get happy. I'm telling you right now. When I see drops, man, y'all don't even understand. I get more happy on my drops than I do on my ups. Because that's where the money is made. Like, yeah, I'm going to make some money when it go up. But if it drop and go up, now we talking. Now we talking. Commercial time. Wait, I gotta get me like a music person do my shit for me. Oh no, we're not about to hear two commercials. I'm over here multitasking. I'm on Facebook and YouTube right now and doing the video at the same time. Come on, man. Y'all see how passionate I'm in about this? I don't know if that's a word, but it came out like that. All right. My Apple position and my Cash App. I just started my Apple position. Gonna get some money up this weekend for that. I'm looking for Apple to go back where it was. Apple right now is at 120. I'm looking forward to get back, which it will. Just dollar cost average in and out. Just dollar cost average on the way up. On the top, take profits. Put it back in the bottom. On the top, take profits. Take a little percentage out for the pocket and put the rest back in the bottom. That's the name of the game. That's how I increase my account. That's how I'm increasing my account. Look at the all-time high. Not for you guys because you can't see it right now on the podcast, but for my video people that I'm doing a video for at the same time. You see the all-time high. Look at that big jump. That big jump is my changing style and trading. So we're gonna go back to June-ish around there. Mayish, June-ish. I totally switched my trading style up. I learned about the 20 moving average. I learned about the 5 moving and the 200 moving average. I use these things along with the RSI, undersold, oversold. I look at these things. And if you understood the RSI, and if you're looking at your computer right now, once you look at the 3 month and look at the RSI for Tesla, does your eyes pop out? That's what you guys got to do, man. You got to learn these tools. If you look at the RSI right now, for those of you who are in front of a computer and you got that tool, if you look at the RSI, you will see where Tesla's at and what that means. I trade with no worries because I put in the work. I did my due diligence. I put in the work, the hours, the boring. I'm going to just go ahead and say times 1,000 on that. So I don't got to say it that many times, but it's very boring. But I always had a vision on the outcome of it. You understand? That kept me going all the time. I kept having a vision of the outcome, and I kept seeing the people that had already, you know what I'm saying, been successful in trading stocks. And I knew I could be like them. What make them different from me? Talk to me now. What make them different than me? Now I trade with no fear. I'm looking forward to my next video. I'll be all happy. Like, yo, look, y'all. Look it. Now let's talk about percentage-wise. When we talk about percentage-wise, and not dollar value wise, right? For the month, for the week, right? Let's go with the week on my Cash App portfolio. My Cash App portfolio for the week, I'm down $217 for the week, all right? Now, a lot of y'all might be like, oh, shit, $200. Hold on, commercial time. I can catch it.
Frank's Red Hot. I put that on everything.
Yeah.
It's the perfect blend of flavor and heat.
It's really funny. Oh man, y'all already know. Y'all already know this beat is my favorite. Come Lasean. I think it's Angel Lasean. We got them banging beats on YouTube. I don't know if he'll get mad because I be talking over his songs. Any mini money mo. Oh, it be coming out. I don't want it to come out, but it do. Any mini money mo. Whoa. Any mini money mo. Her body stocks for the low. Any mini money mo. Body stocks on the low. I sell it when it's high, say bye, now move on to the next one. I treat these stocks like my exes. No feelings, no stresses. I make sure I use my exes to check course for my checklist. Make me a better trader. Minimize my risk. Miss or minimum. I like it like this. Yes. That's going to be for my CD. That's a little intro. I'm going to do a little stock CD. You know what I'm saying? That's how I be feeling. I get emotional when I hear beats, so I mix them all together, and I just put lines together, and I be saying like, you know, a couple little things and stuff that says, like, I be saying stuff like here we go. I remember when this used to be foreign, so I sat down with a pen and a pad and I started studying. It was then I realized this is not so foreign. It was then I realized if I learned this, I could win. Whoa! Look at me, ma. You know, I be doing that like a little bit sometimes. But anyways, Lasean Wiggins BFC. I want to let you guys go. Dollar cost average. Look that up. Read that. Know that. Lasean Wiggins BFC. Check out my YouTube page for more videos. Check out my playlist. Dollar cost averaging, taking profits. Motivational videos. I got a little bit of some of everything over there. Go stop by. Don't be scared. All you gotta do is press a button. But I can promise you this. I'm gonna add some value. I'm gonna give you some knowledge that if you implement in your life, it might can help you a little bit. And enough for you to pass it on to a friend, because I'm pretty sure you know somebody. We all know somebody who need a little help in their finances and how to trade stocks and how to get that credit right, how to get them free trade lines, how to get them trade lines, and get that 50 to 100 point boost per trade line on your credit. I want you to think about something right now. Can you do that for me? Think about something right now. How many people you know right now be talking down your throat like, yo, stock this, stock that, you should invest, do this, blah, 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 blah. Huh? Every time they see you, what's up? Yo, you have stocks, best, huh? You investing for your future, change your life? Huh? How your credit, you want to fix your credit, change your life, fix your life, help everything get you better? Fix. It seems like weird, right? When you hear that, because that's not the normal conversation that goes on in our community. Hey, I'm out of here because I'm gonna be here for a goddamn whole ass hour. Lasean Wiggins, man, I'm out of here. Peace.